got Evo engines.
So they are Evos.
Yeah. 2-door Evo.
That's the reason why that one's closed. That one's definitely a fucking Lancer.
That's an Evo.
How is an Evo? It's a base, bro. It's gotta be a fucking
Intercooler right there. You see that intercooler right there? That's an Evo, bro. They don't know touching this shit. I didn't pop mine. I'll leave the car. Someone's gonna take something off this thing. I'll never know. That's what I do.
Came with a 4G63?
Yeah, it's the first generation.
I can see the bow covers are really different, and it has like the big pulleys.
And also,
that one does too, but it has the cover.
And also the cans are in different place. The newer ones is right here. This has. That's the same one I have. Oh my.
So sick. We got another one next to it. Needs a little bit of paint, but still, legend.
Yeah.
Send us the blend. GST or GSX? Looks like a GST. How can you tell?
It's got a transfer case.
Oh, yeah. I would have changed that. The filter or stuff.
That looks good. Good job. You think that was Nate? Hey, you think that was Nate? Is that Nate?
Oh, este. ¿En serio? No, look at that thing. It's a great one.
He ain't that clean yet.
Oh, that was your car.
I ain't there yet.
That's why we were laughing at you.
I mean, you barely find them. Dude, there was one for sale right now, but it's a GST.
I love the Eclipse. If I were to have one, if I was between a Lancer and an Eclipse, I could. An Eclipse is like the FRX. Apparently they're like unreliable. Really? Yeah. I mean, it doesn't look reliable. What makes you say that? I don't know. That 2 gears like that does not look reliable. That's the timing. That's the timing belt. don't know. This is a big block. Looks nice though. I love it.
Yeah, they're nice.
Maybe the engine isn't nice, but the body itself, I love it. Don't get T-bone.
Yeah.
Mismo motor que Galán. No all-wheel drive, and that is nice. Yeah, this car is un poquito. Dual. Yeah, right now we're looking for a turbo car next.
Well, you know, this is the same motor, right? What's it? It just did a little. It's the Eclipse. It's the same motor.
Out of that, I just showed him your car. Yeah.
I just brought that over. See?
Oh yeah.
They changed the head.
It's fun.
Oh, they changed the head.
That's really fun.
Nobody really knows what it is. I always like how the head is like on the thing.
Custom though. Those are custom. This is how it is.
See, like my son running more custom. So it's actually not too bad. I'm gonna call my son. All right, Omar.
The GTO. How do you let it go?
Julio no sabía de carro, no sabía cómo bregar con él. Tú estabas disappointed. Tú querías un Civic.